Are you tired of feeling stuck financially and want to find a way to earn extra income without leaving your home? What if I told you there is a simple method to turn your everyday activities into cash? Intrigued? Stick around because in just a few minutes I'm going to show you exactly how you can start earning money today. So, making money using the concept of kick or a strong call to action involves effectively motivating your audience to take actions that can generate revenue for you. Here are several ways to incorporate a kick to earn money, especially in the context of online content creation, marketing, and sales. So, right now, I will give you some steps to earn money with kick, and also I will give you some examples, and I will give you types of for an effective kick, and also I will give you some benefits of kick and how you must start earning with it. Then good luck with starting earning money with kick. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into become an affiliate program in kick. So this is the homepage. Sorry, here we have how to become a kick affiliate and enable subscribers. First, how to become a Kick affiliate and enable subscription update more than a week ago. Kick's affiliates refer to content creators who deliver for more than 5 hours and have more than 75 followers. When you become an affiliate, you can enable the subscription button and earn revenue from your subscriptions. Then we have here you can check the progress of your affiliate status by logging into your Kick account and heading over to achievement. So all you have to do is click over this link, and this is the home page. As you can see, this is the home page. Sorry, we have here a various videos of people start earning money with Kick just by doing what you love. So if you want to sign up, so we have this is my account. If you want to sign up or find your account, we have here button of login and we have here button of sign up. All you have to do is click over sign up or click over login if you want to link your account. Sign up, you can you just write your email, your password, confirm the password and your username, and you start making money with Gig. Then we have login, you write your email and your password and you link your account. So in the home page here we have Kick, we have here browse, also following, we have here other things like community guidelines, DMC policy, privacy policy, terms of service, help and support, and here we have channel creator dashboard, subscriptions, settings, and log out. And here we have research and search about what you want, sorry, or what you need. So right now I will give you some examples how you can use Kick as an affiliate program to earning money with it. So first of all, we have affiliate marketing. You promote products or services and include a unique affiliate link. When viewers purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Then we have product sales. You can sell physical or digital products such as merchandise, ebooks, courses, or exclusive content to get prompt viewers to make a purchase. Then also we have sponsored content. Partner with brands and promote their products or services to get encourage viewers to engage with the sponsor, often leading to sales or sign-ups. And we have donations and crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, or Direct People donations allow viewers to financially support creators to encourage contributions by highlighting the benefits or gratitude. Also, we have ad revenue. So how it works? On platforms like YouTube, you can earn money with draw ad revenue. The Kick can remind viewers that watching ads helps support your content. Also, we have subscriptions and membership offer exclusive content or perks for paid subscribers or members. The Kick highlights the benefits of subscribing or joining. And then we have online courses. Charge a free for access to webinars,
See, none
workshops,
of us
or
pay.
courses. The kick props
They're already NA.
viewers to sign up or register. And finally, we have live streams and super chats. During live streams, viewers can donate to platforms like YouTube's
Oh,
super
these are
chat,
these.
where their messages are highlighted. Then I will give you some types how you can be an effective kick. First of all, you have to be clear and direct. Clearly state what actions you want the audience to take with urgency. Use phrases like limited time, exclusive offer, or act now to encourage immediate actions. Then we have highlight of benefits. Explain what's in it for the audience, whether it's a discount, exclusive content, or supporting a cause. Then finally we have be genuine. Authenticity resonates with audience, so be sincere in your approach. And I will give you some benefits of Cake. First, we have flexibility. Many platforms offer the ability to set your own hours and work from anywhere, which can be ideal for balancing work with other commitments. Also, we have diverse income streams. By leveraging a platform like Kick, you can diversify your sources of income, reducing reliance and on a single job or business ventures. Then we have low barrier to entry. Depending on the platform, starting might require minimal upfront investment compared to traditional businesses. And also we have community and networking. You often have the opportunity to connect with a community of like-minded individuals, which can lead to new opportunities, collaboration, and support. And we have skill development. Working on such platforms can help you develop valuable skills in areas like digital marketing, content creation, and online engagement. Then we have scalability. Depending on your approach, there might be opportunities to scale your earnings by expanding your reach of diversifying your offerings. And finally, we have global reach. New platforms provide access to a global audience, which can help you grow your presence and revenue beyond local markets. So, earning money on platforms like Kick offers flexibility, diverse income streams, and opportunities for skill development. It typically has low barrier to entry and can provide access to a global audience. This approach can be advantageous for balancing work with other commitments and potentially scaling your earnings over time. However, success often depends on the effort you put in and how well you leverage the platform's features and opportunities. So Kick is very useful and helpful to start earning money with it just by doing what you love and what you want. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.